Welcome to Flowbase Code. Let's see how to use the resource tab in the student planner template. I'll just try to go and click the resource tab over here. So first you can see we have the complete how to use instructions for the particular resource tab. So we have the complete guideline over here. Then below this one, you can see on the left hand side, we have the navigation to the home page button. Then where we can just try to have our notes listed over here. You can just try to go and add your notes. Then on the right hand side, you can see currently reading. So what are all the books you're currently reading? You can just try to go and display all these books over here. You can just try to click this new button and then add a new book over here. So then we have by courses. So for example, what are the courses, and for each and every course, what are the books you're trying to read? So by courses also you have a filter where you can just try to see the books, whatever you're reading by courses. Then below this one, you have the books. So different genre we have poetry, fantasy, fiction, different genres are actually available over here. And then the table view of that is also available. Next we have the key codes. So what are all the key codes we have? So we completely have it over here. You can just try to go and add a new key code. So whatever you learn from some book, you can just try to, if you want to remember that particular code from that particular book, you can just try to go and add a key code like this over here. Then you have the authors. So these are the different authors. So for your books, you can just try to map these authors to your books as well. So what you can do is you can just try to go click new and then create a new author as well. So we also have the favorite. So you can just try to make your author favorite author as well. And then the manager, you will just try to see all the authors listed over here. So this is about the complete resource tab in the student planner. So with the help of this particular resource tab, you can just try to maintain all your books, what you're reading, and you can also track the progress, how much you have read this particular book. So you can see the progress over here, how many pages you have read this book. So everything can be tracked with the help of this particular resource planner.